watching 63 Fixed TV. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing video. There's a brand called Halowheels. Some of you might know them in the UK. They build and make wheels, they do tyres and various other products. I'll leave a link in the description below for their website. You can go check them out. So myself and Halowheels, we've been emailing back and forth, and they've decided to send me some Aerotrack wheels. These are 700c wheels, and currently I've got two bikes. I've got the Black Label State Bicycle bike, which is 700c at the moment, and I've also got the ESB, which can take 726. It's a bit more of a robust bike, you see. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and open up these wheels and take a look, shall we? Nice, so this is the front wheel. This is the Halowheels Aerotrack. There you go. So I put a post up the other day on Instagram, and it turns out that some of you have already got these wheels anyway, and you say that you've been riding them for years, and they're actually a really decent wheel. Ooh. Obviously it's not even on a bike yet, but it just already just feels the quality. You know when you can compare straight away like some really decent wheels to like a very cheaply made set of wheels. You can just tell straight away that there is a massive difference in quality. Absolutely. Right, that's the front wheel. Let's have a look at the rear. Got a little note here with some washers attached to it. Okay, so here is the rear wheel in black again. I believe it comes in 3 different colours. You've got black, chrome I think, or silver, and white. Don't quote me on that, but it is available on their website, which I'll link in the description below. Check this out. This is something that we were talking on the phone about, and we thought it would be a good idea to include the fact that it is a double fix. It's a double fix hub, see that? So on this side you've got 16 tooth cog on one side, and it's a 14 tooth cog on the other side. Both with halo cogs, or sprockets, whatever you want to call them. This is actually really cool. I will not go into detail on this video because I'm going to go into detail on the review video. There's something absolutely amazing about this hub and the rear wheel that I want to go into detail about. I want to talk to you about this because it's really cool. Some of you have got this already, or this setup already. You'll know exactly why it's so cool. This requires no tools apparently, so you don't need a chain whip tool for this. So we'll find out. I'm going to put these on to the State Bicycle Black Label bike. You know that green one they sent me? I'll be putting it on that and testing them out. Obviously got to buy some tyres as well. So yeah, they look pretty cool. Let me get the other one. Halowheels Aerotrack. They've got same as wheel sets that I've seen before. You've got a different spoke layout to the rear. You see that? The spokes are laid out differently. I don't know why that is actually. I really don't know why. If anybody does know why, you often see the spokes are laced differently to the rear. I really don't know why that is. Is it just like an aesthetic thing? Is it just for the appearance? Or is there another reason why? Please comment below, because I'd love to know. Again, if any of you have got the Halowheels Aerotrack wheels, please let us know in the comments below your thoughts on them, how long you've had them for, if you ran into any problems or anything like that. Please comment below. I really look forward to reading, you know, what you guys have got to say. So, other than receiving these new wheels, what else has been happening? A couple of weeks ago, did a giveaway, gave away some Why Not straps. Okay Kai, congratulations mate, this is what you've won. This is a sticker, a Why Not keyring, which is actually really cool. These bar ends light up. Say hello to your new fixed gear Why Not foot straps. That was an Instagram competition. It's only right to do another competition, so stay tuned for that. Been riding a lot more past couple of weeks, especially on the ESB, just getting out there and just, you know, relearning tricks and stuff. Like the 180, I'm trying to learn bunny up bar spin at the moment. It's just like, the legs get in the way. I'm not sure if it's the wrong geometry on the bike or if I'm just going through the learning process, which is something that I love about this whole fixed gear thing. It's very much like an urban sport where it's like skating or BMXing. It's like the enjoyment of learning something new and trying to conquer it, and like you'll be running out of breath and you're just getting tired, but you don't care because all you want to do is learn this new trick and get it down. So that's been fun. I'm really enjoying that. The downfall, like I said in previous videos, is that there's no one around Southampton really that wants to ride fixed gear or bikes in general. They just don't want to, they don't have the time, they've got other things they've got to do, the schedule doesn't match up with mine. So I've still got to do all this on my own. I'm looking for, I've got a Mavic Pro drone, but the problem is I don't really trust anyone else to fly it. Do you know what I mean? So I'm going to have to try and fly the drone to do the whole capture me cycling thing, and I'm going to have to cycle at the same time, so that's going to be a bit of a challenge. Coming up, I will be going back to Bournemouth Velodrome. I've just done some research and apparently it is open to the public. That's an outside velodrome in Bournemouth, down Slade's Farm. You've probably seen it on previous videos. So I'll be going there to test out not only these wheels, but also the state bicycle that they gave me. So that's where I'm going to be doing part of my review. So lots of filming to be done there. It's been raining nearly every single day. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll see that I just post videos of the rain just to show you how shit it is to live in England, where you want to go out and ride bikes, you've booked time off work or you've got a day off and it's fucking pissing down. It's funny how it never rains when you're at work. Been going to a few bands lately, a Thin Lizzy tribute band, which is really good. And tonight in Southampton, we have Bowling for Soup, one of my all-time favourite bands, are coming over and doing a show. So me and my partner are going to watch Bowling for Soup. The funniest, most entertaining band I've ever seen. This will be the 8th time I'm going to see them. So that's going to be good. That's tonight. I'm just about to charge up the camera. I've got a little bit of daylight and this is the only day where it's not raining apparently, so I will be having a go on the state bicycle again, just going through testing and just seeing how I feel with it. I've got mixed emotions at the moment, so it's all part of it. I can't just ride a bike once and then decide if I like it or not, you know, so gonna go out on that in a minute whilst the cameras are charging. And Red Dead Redemption 2 Online just released. Completed that within 3 days, by the way. It's like the easiest game ever. So I'm kind of over that now, but we'll see what online is like. Yes, so the giveaway. I'm gonna give away some cranks, which I'll try and put a picture in about here. I've got these cranks, it's for like a square taper bottom bracket, so if times are hard right now and you'd like a new set of cranks, then I'm going to be doing a new Instagram giveaway. Whenever this video is out, go to the Instagram right here, go onto there, and you'll see a picture. And what you need to do is you need to screenshot that picture and repost it and hashtag 63 fixed cranks giveaway. All right, that's what you got to do. 63 fixed cranks giveaway. I will, again, same as the other video that we've done, I will pick a person who's done that at random. Scroll, 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 look away, and pick that person. Kai Shepherd or Shefford, and I'll send them over to you. And Kai Shefford or Shepherd, if you are watching, unfortunately you can't win a giveaway twice in the same year. So you might want to sit this one out, mate, and give someone else a chance, yeah? Oh yeah, one other thing. So, as you guys know, I'm a massive fan of Holdfast, and the last time they sent me stuff, they sent me these 2 huge stickers, and I have no idea where to put them. I did think about putting them on my car, but I'm selling my car. Yeah, I did think about putting them on my laptop, but my laptop is covered in stickers anyway. First world problem right now, guys. First world problem. I have no idea where to put these. If you had these, in fact, I'm going to give one away, either a red one or a white one. You can take your pick. I'm going to give one of these away with the cranks as well. So when you receive your cranks, you'll have one of these in the giveaway. So, but yeah, let me know what you would do with these stickers. Right, I've been blabbering on for far too long now, guys. I appreciate you watching and getting this far with the video. Massive shout out to everybody, new and old subscribers that still tune in to watch this show. Really, really appreciate it. It means a massive amount to me. If you like the idea of me doing giveaways more often, then hit the thumbs up button below in this video. Like I said, leave a comment below what you would do with these stickers. Let me know if you've got the Halowheels Aerotrack wheels before. And yeah, go ahead, follow Instagram and look out for that competition. It's gonna be a good one. Right, so I'm gonna go for a ride now because this is the only day where we have sunlight in this year, so I'm gonna crack on, and I will see you guys, and I'll probably speak to you in the comments below or on Instagram if you happen to send me a message. Right, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.